Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel, and today I will be teaching you how to save a snap someone sent you. So let's begin right away. The very first step is to make sure that your Snapchat app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your Snapchat app. Once you have done updating your Snapchat app, you just simply click on open right here and then go to your chat section by clicking on chat, or you may also swipe right like this one. So open the chat section and then go to that snap that you want. So there are actually two ways in saving a snap. So the first one is you just simply open it and then click on the three dots found on the upper right corner and then click on save in chat. And as you can see, this pop-up will appear which says saved in chat. And then let's say for example that you have let's just send another snap first. Let's say, for example, that you have seen this snap and then you haven't saved it yet, and then you have closed it. You may go back to that chat and then press and hold on these chat or this snap and click on save in chat as well. And then as you can see, um, a notification will appear right here which says you have saved a snap in chat, and then right here as well you have saved a snap in chat. So to remove the saved snap, you just simply press and hold it once again and then click on and save in chat right here. So that's it. That's how you can save a snap someone sent you. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.